Welcome back to EntrepreNagel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can earn money while shopping online. We're talking about TopCashBack.com. We're going to talk about how it works, what categories and websites you can earn money in, and then do a full walkthrough, purchasing an item and showing you how much we're going to earn back. Let's get started. What categories? Here we're on the main home page. We can see across the top there's travel categories where there's airlines, cruises, vacation packages, hotels, home and garden websites, electronics, fashion, health and beauty. They also have gift card options and many other various categories. How does it work? You find a retailer on TopCashBack's website that you want to shop on, and you click through to that website from TopCashBack. You make a purchase, and then TopCashBack rewards you with a % back of your total purchase price. How does TopCashBack do this? How are they making money? Well, TopCashBack uses a technique called affiliate relationships with the different retailers. When you click the link to that website through TopCashBack and make a purchase, they are earning money from that retailer. They in hand give you a portion of that money as cash back to your account. So let's give it a try. Let's see how it works. Today, we have something that we're going to purchase from eBay. So we type in eBay and we go to the eBay link. Look, we can get up to 1% cash back. Not huge, but money is money. Click on this link. It brings us to the eBay cashback discounts page. And then we need to select an offer below. So today we're buying something that's going to be in the home and garden category. You click Get Cash Back. Opens another tab. And this will take you to eBay's homepage. Now we already have our item selected. It's in our cart. Nothing real exciting. We're buying some more shipping labels for our business. And now we just go through the normal checkout payment process. Nothing crazy here. Make sure everything looks correct. Our address, our shipping, and everything looks good. Notice our order total is $28.99. Let's confirm and pay. Item is purchased and on its way. Let's head back to TopCashBack. How easy was that to make that purchase? And we earned 1%. Not a big amount. $28.99. 1% of that is approximately 29 cents. Not much, but we didn't do much work. It took us all of 30 seconds to click through TopCashBack's link. How much can you earn? Well, here we have a featured offer showing that you can get 11% cash back from Dell Technologies. Different websites offer different deals. Let's see more about computers. 9%, 7%, 11%. Some great options. How much have we earned? Let's head over to our account. Wow, we've already earned $40, over $40. That's incredible. And this is from everyday purchases from everyday retailers. eBay, Bed Bath & Beyond, Brookstone. Lots of eBay. We purchase a lot on eBay. As you can see, some of these are still pending. It takes a little bit for the cash to come fully through to your account. This is because the retailer and TopCashBack are ensuring the purchase was legitimate. They're waiting for all the payments to go through, and they're waiting to ensure that the item doesn't get returned. Right now we have $4 payable. Let's see what our payout options are. We could, right now, get an Amazon gift card. We could get a Target gift card. We could get a direct deposit to our bank or a direct deposit to our PayPal account. There are other options here, but we don't have enough money to get to that amount. As you can see here, some of these options, they offer you a bonus if you select them. We have $4.17 payable. If we selected Target, we get an extra 3%. If we selected Amazon, an extra 2%. So, is it worth it? I would say yes. There's no risk. How do you sign up? Right now, if you sign up through our link that's below, you can get an automatic $10 bonus for signing up.